What's happening, go people? I go by the name Phoenix Flame. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a break type beat. So this is what I have so far. I'm just gonna dive straight into it. So the first thing that I did, I took this sample. Pitched it down by 5 semitones. This is how it sounded originally. So then after pitching it down, that's for my intro. Then I took the same sample, I sent it to Slicer. So I added a couple of reverse works, then yeah, I slide it down. Every eighth note, I added like a slider on it. So this is what I did. The first thing that I put a reverse on that, number 16. Put a reverse on that, number 24. Put a reverse on that. And the last one, I added a reverse on that. That's where I'm adding all my slides. Right? Then on the sample itself, some reverb, some delay, then a flangers to make it wider. So this is how it sounds. Then the first thing that I did was to add the 808. I used an 808 by Cymatics. I think it's from the drip. Yeah, it's from the drip sample pack. Then it was a follow-up kick. Simple two-step hi-hat. The kick, the hi-hat, the snare, the rim shot, they're from Decap. I think they're from his new free pack. I like them a lot. So basically, it's a simple kick pattern. It's like a traditional trap pattern. Then I added this. I think it's an organ by Arcade. And I also added some vocals from Arcade, background vocals. Then for the switch up, That's what we have. We took the sample, we flipped it, put this on the beat mode, on the chop mode. But mode in beat at that, and we just reduced the length of the samples, so they sound like this, like a sidechain effect. And the sample is from the Slap Expects. I think it's Curtis King, Ogosh Loaders, Aaron Baba. I don't know the other two guys. That's about it. That's how you make a quick beat using SM. So, but if you listen to, what is that song? One of his recent songs, Drake. It's on this vibe. So that's about it. Please subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, like, share with your friends. Phoenix Flame, I'm signing out.